When I walk into the shop, it's exhilarating. For me, it's home. The feeling, the sounds, the smells, it's my comfort zone, I guess.
I believe on my first visit, I said, hey, I need one skilled welder right now. Who is it? And he says, you need to go get that kid right there. A few months later, I had him here in the shop. Welding is a complicated process. Sure, it's melting two pieces of metal together, typically with a third metal that you're introducing, but there are all different processes for doing that. You can be doing it flat, horizontally, upside down, around a piece of pipe. And then there's all types of materials to get welded, but the processes are completely different. Developing people that can do those different processes is a major challenge.
Here at Napa Valley College, our welding training program is 2 semesters. We start in August, we end in May. In this program, you're going to learn about oxy-fuel welding and cutting, plasma arc welding and cutting. You will do shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, flux cord arc welding, the gas tungsten arc welding on mild steel and stainless steel. Here in Napa, we do a lot of stainless sanitary welding. You can expect to leave us with a broad knowledge, all the things you want to learn.
The thing I love about this class is hands-on. You come in here, you put your phone away, you listen to what the instructor has to tell you, and you get in your booth and you practice. It's just a great environment.
While I was still in high school, I actually ended up going through this program. This ended up being something that I really enjoyed, and I teach the nighttime program. I also teach the Weld 150, which is your fabrication and blueprint reading class.
They're teaching you how to work. The welding is part of it, and they provide us with the proper equipment.
We run our shop like a job, so they get into the habit of what it's like to actually have a real job. Our completers are in high demand.
In the last few years, we've really developed our relationship with the Napa Valley College so that we have people coming out of their program that can do what we do.
The instructor they have down there now is really teaching the welders to become industry-ready welders. We've got a couple guys here in the shop, including myself, that went through that program, and it's been very beneficial.
I'm really excited to go over there and see their welders using the same equipment, using the same tools, building the same things that we build here. And to support that effort, we're providing certified welding inspector services free of charge.
We're working for our AWS certificate. I'm also working for my assistant welder certificate.
Today we have many students taking AWS D11 certification tests. We have a few doing an API, American Petroleum Institute pipe welding test.
The teachers, the people, the helpers, man, they work with you one-on-one. They're able to show you the way. I want to say thank you. I feel prepared.